truthfully, with respect to each other. It does not matter whether you are a member of parliament, whether you are a member of the county assembly, whether you are a senator. We all serve the same people, the people of Kiambu. And what I pray for and what I ask, Your Excellency, even as we meet tomorrow, is that we'll focus on the greater good of the people of Kiambu. We campaigned with you and the president here in Kiambu and across the country, Your Excellency. And we campaigned as a team. My prayer today is that this county, and indeed all our counties, including the county of Meru, leaders, as our governor have said, will be truthful, will be faithful to the people, will be faithful to the promises and the pledges that we made to the people of Kenya to be able to deliver on all of them. I want to urge all of us to be as truthful as you, Deputy President, and our President, to focus on the people, to focus on the issues that we promised the people of Kenya, even here in Kiambu. Your Excellency, you know, you would not be Deputy President today. Our President would not be President today without the immense support that he got and you got from Kiambu County. That is why, Your Excellency, as we met the President and we have met with you, we have sat with you, we have only had the singular agenda of how we realize the dreams and the aspirations and the promises that we made to the people of Kiambu. As our governor rightly says, let us put our selfish political interests aside. Let us also put our egos, drop them down. Let us come and reason together for the benefit of our people. It is one thing for us to thump chest. It is another thing to enumerate things that we say with our words from the mouth. But it is another thing for Wanjiko down on the ground to be able to feel the things that we say are happening today. Those are two different things. Your Excellency, with immense respect to yourself and the President, I join you and our governor in urging that we all work together. Let us have respect for each other. Let us have respect for our President as our leader. It is the agenda that he sold to the people of Kenya that won the election. It is that agenda that we must, all of us together, pull hands together to help him and yourself, Your Excellency, realize that agenda. From the housing agenda that the governor has spoken about, and he has told us he has 3 sites ready. I want to assure you, Governor, if there are sites that are ready in Kiambu County, the Ministry of Housing, His Excellency the President and His Excellency the Deputy President are ready to deploy investors, not on the 3 sites, but on all the 17 sites that were advertised for affordable housing in Kiambu. We are ready. And this week, Your Excellency, Deputy President, we had a small tiff with our neighbors, and I see members from Murang'a here, our neighbors in Murang'a on the Special Economic Zone and our IPZ. Because when he sat with the President, we agreed